Hey guys, welcome back to Naughty Threads. I am super excited to post this video today. As you all know, we did host a free Sari Kuchu workshop on Sunday, that is yesterday. So this is how we, set it up. I am super duper excited to share it with you guys because the participants were so cooperative and the event went really well. So this is how we set up the inside space, and these are the kits we gave the participants. Now the kit contained different types of kuchu beads, needles, and zari. So the outside sales counter also had to be used because we could not accommodate everyone inside the training section alone. So this is how we set up the outside. We kind of pushed the sales counter to little inside, and then we arranged these chairs. So we used these paper clips so that it will hold the fabric intact. So the head count was more than what I expected actually. So in the last minute, we had to arrange for some tables that could accommodate a few more people. So this is how it looked. Since a few people arrived beforehand, I didn't want to waste any time, so I just started off with the first batch because I there was no way I could teach the entire crowd at once. So what I did was I kind of split them into batches depending on the language, because few people didn't follow Kannada, few people didn't follow English. So depending on that, we kind of split them into batches, and we started off, and they were pretty quick. They learnt it really well. So luckily we were able to finish all 10 designs. So here I am teaching the second set, and there were already people waiting who arrived late. So I didn't really expect we will get such a good response. I always wanted to do something like this, but now that we got a chance, I didn't want to let go. So this event really made me happy. I felt you know somewhere I felt satisfied because uh, these people actually follow me on YouTube and Facebook. Despite of seeing the videos, they still walked up to learn things personally from me. So that was really nice of them. So here again, it's the next set. So I covered two designs at once because I didn't want to overstuff with too many designs at once. So batch wise I kind of covered two designs each. Then the first batch would go and do those two designs, and then I would cover the same thing with to the second batch, and that way we kind of continued. There were a few people who took time to pick things up because this was the first time they were doing it. But yeah, I gave them their own time. So this was the last set of people. There were people coming from completely opposite side of where our store is located. So it was really hectic for them because few people started off too early. I think they started at around 9 o'clock or something, just to get here by 11. So it was a long day for them. I just hope they also had a good experience. So you can already see the first and the second batch doing those designs. And this is the sales counter part. So that's how it looked. Yesterday I was completely busy because though I thought we will be able to finish by 3, it kind of stretched till 4 o'clock, and after that I was so tired that I didn't have any patience to edit the video, so I started editing only today. So since it was a long day, even they were kind of tired because they had to sit constantly to and work to finish all 10 designs. So there were people who came all the way from Yelahanka, Yashwantpur, and this was held in our store, which is located in Banaswadi. I think most of you guys already know. So here at this stage, we kind of finished 4 to 5 or 6 designs probably, and it was already like 2 hours, I guess, 2 or 2.5 hours, because most of them were doing it for the first time, so I didn't really want to rush. So after a couple of hours, we served them some biscuits and tea and coffee, and then we continued with the session. So on the whole, it was a very pleasant experience. I really loved interacting with these people because most of them were my subscribers, and this is the first time I got to meet so many of them at once. Uh, Now and then, here and there, I kind of meet my subscribers. They say good things about us, so that really makes us happy. So most of them also mentioned that they kind of follow my videos ever since we started, so that really made my day. uh, so yeah, that's how it continued. This event lasted till 4 o'clock in the evening, and once everybody was done, we distributed the feedback forms because as you all know, this was the first time we hosted something like this. So I really wanted to get a genuine feedback from them. So they were asked to fill up the feedback form before they left, and that's how it ended. So I guess in this video that's about it. I'm so happy that this event went so well. I'm keeping my fingers crossed for our next event, which is in Padmanabh Nagar, like mentioned in the other video. So in case you have not watched that video, I'm going to leave all the details in the description box. As of now, we have 2 more events coming up this weekend, which is uh, in Padmanabh Nagar. It's on 23rd on Saturday in Puttalingaya playground, and on Sunday, which is 24th, we have it in our store location itself. Because of so many inquiries and calls, I have decided to organize this one more time in Banaswadi location. So in case you want more details, please feel free to call me on my number. All the details are given in the description box, so please don't forget to check that. So I guess that's it for today. I'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, stay tuned, guys. Take care. Bye bye.